Morning. We're on Don Outdoor Adventures out here in the backyard. Got some crappie yesterday, and decided to make me a little cleaning station on the back of my boat. You know, we got these boats, and we got this ladder section. When you get out the boat, say if you're swimming and you want to get out and get back in, you got that ladder in the back of the boat. Well, that's the perfect platform to clean fish, and I made a platform today out of a 1/4 inch plywood and a 2x4 and cut it to fit that little area back there so I can clean fish on it, because I don't get out the boat to swim or nothing like that, so it's just a waste. So I decided to make it a cleaning station for when I want to clean crappie in the backyard. It's the right height, and if I want to clean them at the lake, I can do that too. I had some kind of table that I can set it up on, and this is what I made. I just made it this morning, quick and easy. Cut it out, and I made it. So here it is right here. There's the ladder system I was talking about. Let me get these off of here. That's some of the crappie that I'm getting ready to fillet. I already got one of them filleted up. There's the other ones that I caught yesterday. I had them on ice, and they still alive. There's the old fillet knife, but all I did was, let's put these back in here. But what I did was I cut, that's the hooks for the for your tie downs for your boat. You know, you got your motor. And then all I did was take this off. There's the ladder. I cut it to fit. Up under there's a 2x4 that I made, so it'll be the right length, because these things right here, the handles, they're a little bit too high, so I made it even by putting that 2x4 on it. Then you just slide it right in there, and you got your cleaning station for your crappie, catfish, whatever. And I can get a pretty good sized fish on there and fillet it out. Even bigger if I want to turn that motor around a little bit. But that's it right there. The cleaning station here in the backyard. Like I said, there's the motor. There's the table for the cleaning area. And I just made that like in 10 minutes with some scrap wood I had. Just cut it out to fit, and it worked perfect. On the back, black cherry. And I can carry that board with me wherever I go fishing. Just store it in the boat there, and it's good to go. But that's it, the cleaning station. I got my work cut out for me, so let's get busy here cleaning these crappie up with my new cleaning station on the back of my boat. There you have it, on Don Outdoor Adventures in the backyard, cleaning crappie. We'll see you next time on Don Outdoor Adventures.